Hello guys, now I assume you have installed your hypervisor like VMware Workstation player or VirtualBox already installed in your operating system. So it might look, if you are using VirtualBox, it might look like this, and if you are using VMware Workstation player, it might look like this, and if you are using VMware Workstation Pro, it might look like this. So okay guys, in this video I'm going to explain how to install Windows operating system into this VMware software so that we can test all the malicious stuff in the virtual machine so that it won't affect our host operating system. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, now I will open my browser and I will just type Windows evaluation. Click center. So Windows has some evaluation center where they provide us some ISO of Windows 10 or Windows 11 which have some expiry date. So until then we can just try Windows. So I will just go to the site and to I'll go to Windows 11 Enterprise, Windows Server. I'll just click Windows here, and here I will just choose Windows 10 Enterprise. As Windows 11 have so many requirements like ppm and etc. It will be a little bit complex process to install Windows 11, and Windows 10 works fine. So here, okay, okay. After clicking Windows 10 Enterprise, here we can see Get Started for free. Download the ISO Enterprise. So let's click this link. So here you can just see like it's asking for some first name and etc. So just give some random name. Hello, name. So this page was loaded, and here it's asking us to download our Windows 10 Enterprise. Let's just use English United States and 64-bit edition. Okay, now file is downloaded, and now I'm going to demonstrate how to install Windows operating system in VMware Workstation Player, and it is similar process even when we install it in Pro version, but for the VirtualBox it's quite different, nothing much. So let's just use Player. Player runs so smooth, like Player and Pro. VirtualBox also runs smooth, but sometimes you might face some hanging. So here let's create a new virtual machine, and here go to browse and select the virtual machine which you have downloaded. Our version might be different, but all the process will be same. So I'll just click next and just go next here and click yes, and just say Windows Windows 2 and click next and choose some hard disk drive space, and here just untick this and click finish. So it is creating a virtual disk, and yeah, and now just click this edit virtual machine settings and just remove this auto install.flp, and also increase your RAM and processor size according to your PC specifications. So I'll just click OK here now, and I will just click play virtual machine. So use this option to get a full screen, and click some button here so that it will load into the footer. And if you feel this some disturbing and annoying, you can just click this so it will disappear. So here, let's just go with default options and click install now here. So if you are experienced in how installing Windows operating system in your laptop. So it is completely same process now. If not, you can just check up with this. So here just click I accept this license terms, and here click custom and click new and click OK here, and just click next. So once this is there, and also remember to just remove this network adapter so that other unnecessary updates will be stopped, as it is just a virtual machine. We don't need all the updates. And if you are interested, you can just click here and connect this network adapter so that you will get some internet access. Okay guys, I'm back as installing was completed now. I'll just click restart now here, and now it will load. So yeah guys, our operating system was installed. So you can see the screen was small. So for this, you just go mobile devices. Sorry, go to manage and click install VMware tools. So it will just install some scripts which allow us to interact smoothly with the virtual machines. So just click this VMware tools and click run setup64.exe, and now give it administrator privileges. So here you will get this installation wizard. Let's go and click next, and here let's use complete. So in case if you are switching from one computer to another computer and you have different VMware versions, so this makes it work in every VMware product. So it is quite helpful. And now click install. So it will just install everything, and you can see that we will get this full screen now. Yeah, so you should restart this machine, and that's it, you're good to go. So now Windows virtual machine was installed. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.